Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to integrate secant x dx using a simple trick that makes this integral really fast to do. And it's a trick that you can do with other integrals as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply the integrand by a fraction with the same numerator and denominator, secant x plus tan x. And if we do that, we're left with this result here, and then we'll expand the secant x into the numerator to give us this expression right here. Now, it looks like we've made things a lot more complicated, right? But, check this out. We're going to do a simple u substitution where u equals the denominator, secant x plus tan x. And then when we take the derivative and rearrange, check this out. du equals secant x tan x, because that's the derivative of secant x, plus secant squared x, because that's the derivative of tan x. I have a video on that, dx. And this du, this is equal to the entire numerator. So the whole numerator becomes du. The denominator is u. So we're just left with the integral of 1 over u, which is our friend, ln of u. Now we got to slap absolute value signs here because u can be negative, but we're not allowed to have a negative in the log. And there we are, plus our integration constant. And after we sub back for what u is, we're left with our integral in all its glory.